Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing access. Sign into Google and confirm browser translation is enabled so the toolbar appears. Once done, choose a desktop browser for the full feature set and copy the exact page URL you want to view. Make sure you know the original language versus the language you want. That helps the tool pick accurate phrasing. This step saves time and prevents misdirection because Translate works best when you feed it a clear, valid address and explicit language choices. Next, paste the web page URL into Google Translate and select source and target languages. This instructs the service how to render content. Once the translation loads, use the built-in toolbar to open the translated page in a new tab so you can inspect layout and links. While viewing, pay attention to text replacements, dates, or numeric formatting that may shift meaning. This explains why sometimes literal translations misrepresent intent. If accuracy matters, copy key passage. To finish, verify important content by backtranslating selected passages to the original language. This reveals potential distortions and clarifies nuance. If the translated page loses formatting or links fail, clear your browser cache or try a different browser, then reload the translated URL. That often fixes display issues. And make sure to get a human review for legal, medical, or otherwise sensitive material. Machine translation is a convenience, not a certified substitute, and human oversight prevents costly misunderstanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.